Hey guys, welcome back to Big Street's official YouTube channel. So today, guess what we have in the house? So this is the brand new product from SecuX. This is called SecuX Nifty, the world's first NFT hardware wallet. So today we are going to do the unboxing and show you the first time in India this product. So let's begin with the unboxing part. Here we are, and let's open the box and see what else is there inside. So on the first page it is given getting started guide. So basically you have to follow the steps to link it with your device. Let's pull the device out. Here is the Nifty hardware wallet. So let's remove it and see how it feels. The SecuX branding on the back side and the display, and on the bottom it is given a Nifty branding. So it feels good in hand, like it is, you can handle it by one hand. On the right side you have this power button, and the bottom you have the speaker grill and a security tag. So let's keep it aside and see what else is there. Here we have an envelope. I believe it is it says Trade Safe Store Smart. Let's pull it out and see what is there inside it. Here we have, what is it? Here we have a user guide and a plate, an aluminum plate it is. So basically it is for your seed phrases, and user guide like recovery sheets. It is showing the description about it, I believe. So let's keep it aside and see what else is there in the box. So I believe here it is a USB micro USB cable. So there is no power brick. You have to use your mobile phone's power brick to charge the device. Let's start the device and see how it feels. So here we have the device. Let's power it up. I believe, okay, there is a charge in it. Let's start up. Yes, it is starting up right now. So it says welcome Nifty by SecuX, and it is saying welcome, safeguard your NFTs with Nifty by SecuX. Let's set it up. Okay, so here is the link given, QR code link to get the mobile app for this device. So we'll connect it and get back to you. See, we have connected this device to the wallet, to our Android phone as well via Bluetooth connectivity. So here how it looks like, the interface is like this. So if you can see under the Raribles, you can see whatever NFTs you are holding, and you can also mark it as a favorite, is to display it on the wallet. Here you can, from here you can mark it as a favorite and it will display in your wallet. As you can see, we have done it already. So it's showing in my favorite option, and also in this wallet you can receive normal crypto payments as well. Here you can click on the receive option, and as you can see we have Ethereum in it. So as normal wallet works, so you can also use it as a crypto wallet. So that's all for today. We will discuss it in details about this wallet as well. And if you want to buy this wallet, you can go in the description section. We have the link for it. You can buy it directly from there, and for many other such products you can visit our official website. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.